children, welcome back to another class. In previous class already discussion about that quadrilateral, some definitions and examples, types, okay, theorems. So in this session discussion about that one of the important exercise 7.1 discussion about that. So in first one question is that, so what is there in first one question? The angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Find all the angles of the quadrilateral. Children, already you know quadrilateral, the sum of the angle of the quadrilateral is, how many is that? 360 degree. So okay, so that only you should write first. Don't give a figure. First you should write that one quadrilateral. Okay, you should give that 3x, 5x, 9x, 13x. Okay, is equal to 360 degree. Okay children, should apply that. Then first one question is sum of the angle of the quadrilateral. Okay, we should draw that one parallelogram. Should give that name A, B, C, D. Okay children, total in quadrilateral having 4 sides. Okay, this is one of the angle, this is one of the angle, this is one of the angle, this is one of the angle. So this is 3:5:, what is that? 9:13:. Okay children, 13:, should write name 3x, 5x, 9x, 13x. Okay, the sum of the angle of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. That only you should write. Therefore, so angle solution angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. So the sum of the angle of the sum of the angle of angles, the sum of the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay children, you should add. So what is that? A 3x plus B 5x plus 9x plus 13x is equal to 360 degree. Are you got it? This. So you should add 3, 5, 9 and 13. Okay. So here 12. So 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 5 7. 7 plus 3 17 plus 3 20. Okay, here 22x. Okay children, sorry. So here 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 7 17. 17 plus 3 20. Okay, should carry, so 3 30x is equal to 360 degree. Okay, x is equal to 360 degree divided by 3. So 0 0 get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 2s are. X is equal to 12 degree. Okay, so you find out angle A. Angle A is, what is there? 3x is equal to 12. Okay, so 12 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Okay, 36 degree. Okay, angle B is equal to, what is that? Angle B 5. 5x is equal to 5 into 6 is equal to, sorry 5 into 12 degree. So 12 5s are 60. Now next angle C is, what is that angle C? 9x. 9 into 12 degree. 12 9s are 108. Okay. Next angle D is equal to, what is that angle D? 13x. Okay, 13x. 13 into 12. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. So 4 146. Angle D is equal to 146. How I got this children? This is 156. So 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. This is 156. Okay children. So 156. The angle of the quadrilateral is the angles of the quadrilateral is. Say that children. First one is 36 degree, 60 degree, 108 degree, 156 degree. Okay children. So you should add. So 360 is coming. Okay. Now next we shall move to that. In second one question, what is there in question? Second one question, if the diagonal of parallelogram are equal. Yes, you should take any parallelogram means that cut into the diagonals means, so in having two triangles, okay, in both the triangles are equal, okay, equal, then show that it is a rectangle. Yes, it is a rectangle or not, that only prove that. Okay, first we should draw the one rectangle. In second one problem, okay children, so you should draw one rectangle. So in rectangle, opposite pairs of sides are equal. Okay, should give that name A, B, C, D, cut into the diagonal. Okay, so D, B and AC are the diagonals. Okay children, you should draw that in two triangles. So in quadrilateral having how many diagonals children? Having two diagonals. Which one is there? BD and AC are the two diagonals. Okay, let's move. You should write the proof. Okay, which one is there? ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. AC and DB are the diagonals. Okay, diagonals in triangles. In triangle ADC. ADC. So we should say the chord ADC chord children. You should say. Having two triangles now. Okay, so ADC and triangle BDC. Okay, where is that? BDC. Okay, two triangles. AD is equal to BC. Okay, so this is opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Okay children, so in DC is equal to DC, this is the common. Okay, now next AC is equal to BD, already given in question only. Where is there? AC is equal to BD. Okay, next, therefore triangle ADC is equal to triangle, which one is that? BDC. Which rule children? This one? Yes rule. Okay, side rule. Okay, we should add angle ADC plus angle BDC is equal to how many degree? The sum of the angle of the triangle is, what is that? So 180 degree. Okay children, angle ADC is equal to angle BDC is equal to 180 degree is equal to means this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now I got it this. Now next, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. 90 degree is also called as right angle triangle. Okay, therefore ABCD is a, so in every rectangle having each angle represent, so 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Okay children, so otherwise angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD. So ABCD parallelogram. ABCD parallelogram is a rectangle. Okay, ABCD parallelogram is a rectangle. Are you understood? Easy, no? So you should compare to the one side to the another side. Now next we shall move to the which one in third problem. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at a right angles, then it is a rhombus. So in bisector means you should draw one quadrilateral. So this is bisecting point A, B, C, D. So bisecting point is AO and OC and DO and OB is the bisecting point. Already you know in theorems. To draw figure should give that name A, B, C, D. Let solution say that what is that? ABCD is one of the triangle. In a triangle, AOD. Where is that O? This one is O. AOD. Which part that children? This part. Okay. Should write that AOD and triangle. Which one? COD. COD. Okay. So COD in OA. OA is equal to OC. What is that? In given. In question only given that in angle AOD is equal to angle COD is equal to 90 degree. That only it is the given in question. Why? Because this is one of the right angle triangle. Now next OD is equal to OD is a common. Now next we shall move to that. Therefore triangle AOD congruent triangle COD. Why? Because in both triangles same size and same shape is there. Otherwise, therefore this is which rule? FAS rule. Okay. Now next AD is equal to CD. AD is equal to BC. No. AD is equal to DC. Sorry, correct is that. AD is equal to CD. Now next we shall move to that. Compare to the which one is that? Another one. It is one of the right angle triangle. No. Similarly, DC is equal to BC and BC is equal to AB. BC is equal to AB. Okay. And AB is equal to AD. Okay, so these all sides are equal. You see children, AB is equal to BC, AB is equal to BC plus CD is equal to AD. Why? Because all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Have I got it? This all the sides are equal. AB, BC, CD and DA. Okay. Let's move that opposite sides are also equal. In rectangle, opposite sides in parallelogram also opposite sides are equal. Okay. Now next ABCD is a parallelogram. gram, gram, in which diagonals bisect at right angle. Already you know in previous class, right angles and all the sides are equal. Okay. In every right angle, so in angle A 90 degree is there, means angle B also 90 degree, angle C also 90, angle D also 90 degree. Okay. Now next, the quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Okay children, have I got it this? Now next we shall move to that. Which one? Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at a right angles. This square also, each angles represent 90 degree only. Okay, square all the sides are equal, but rectangle all the sides not equal, only opposite sides are equal. Okay children, so understand that rectangle and square, don't confuse. Let's move that. We should draw one square. We should give that name A, B, C. The bisecting point is that. This is O bisecting points. So we should draw. So we should prove solution ABCD in a triangle. ADC and triangle, which one? Triangle BDC in AD is equal to BC. Where is that AD? AD is equal to BC. Why? Because all the sides are equal, no? Otherwise all the sides are equal. Equal. Okay. Next, DC is equal to DC. What that? Common. Okay. Now next, angle ADC is equal to angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because each square having 90 degree. Okay children. So in triangle ADC is equal to congruent triangle BCD is equal to which rule? That is the SAS rule. Okay. So AC is equal to BD. Diagonals. What is that? In both two diagonals. Okay children, having two diagonals. Okay, in triangle, which one is that in triangle? So first one is that AOB, this side, AOB and triangle, which one is that? Opposite, DOC, DCOD or COD. In angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Why? Because this is vertically opposite angle. Okay, vertically opposite angles. Now next we should compare to the angle BAO is equal to OCD. This is alternate angles. Next, AB is equal to, where is that? BAO is equal to OCD, alternate angles. Next, AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to congruent triangle COD. AA roll. The diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, OA is equal to OC and DO is equal to OB. This is the bisecting points. Now next, in triangle, should compare that which one? Still balance is there. Which one? Say that, children. So in triangle AOB and triangle AOB and triangle COD. In triangle COB. Okay. So what is that? AD is equal to DC. Okay. So AB is equal to BC. So this is opposite angles. Opposite sides of a square. Opposite sides of a square. AP is equal to AP. Sorry, AB is equal to OC. So this is AC and BD. AC and BD are the diagonals. Okay. OB is equal to OB. OB is equal to OB. What is that? Common side. Okay, common side. Therefore, triangle AOB congruent. Triangle AOB congruent. Which triangle is that? Triangle COD, which is SSS roll. Okay. Now next, we should add angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So in angle AOB is equal to angle COD is equal to what? That 90 degree. This is why? Because this is CP. Next, angle AOB is equal to angle COD is equal to each angle represent 90 degree only. Otherwise, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Yes, the proof. Okay, children, you should compare that properly. Okay, are you understood? In fourth one, problem. Let's move in fifth one. What is there in fifth one, children? Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. Okay, same is there. We should do that problem. Okay. Fifth one problem. So you do that fifth one problem. This is the exercise 5.7.1. Fifth one problem. You do that homework. Why? Because same is that square, and fourth one problem also same is that. Otherwise, okay. So you should do properly. Okay, let's move that. Which one, children? Sixth one. Diagonal AC in sixth one of a parallelogram ABCD bisect angle A. Show that first one, it bisects angle C also, and second one is ABCD is a rhombus. So rhombus means what? So only consecutive, so not it is this also opposite sides are equal. This is one of the parallelogram. Okay, so you should write that sixth one problem. do that sixth one problem is there, already figure is there. A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. So first one is bisecting point. Angle C. Angle C is the bisecting point. Yes. Okay, I should draw the proof. In a triangle ADC, and triangle should compare another one is the ABC or ABC. Okay, AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC and DC is equal to AB and AC is equal to AC. This is AC. This both also ABCD is a ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, children, ABCD is a parallelogram. In triangle ADC, congruent triangle, which one is the ABC? According to the SS rule. Okay. Now next, angle BCA is equal to angle. Which one is the angle? Angle DAC is equal to angle BAC. This is CP. Now next, angle BCA is equal to angle DCA is equal to, this is corresponding part of congruent triangles. So DAC is equal to BAC and BCA, this is vice versa process, children. This is compared to the DAC and compared to the BCA. Okay, AC is bisect. Which one? Bisects which angle? Bisects angle C. Okay, so should compare properly in triangle ADC and triangle ABC. Both having two triangles. You should take any quadrilateral means, so having two triangles. Okay, that only you should compare that. So this is one of the CP corresponding part of congruent triangles. Now next we shall go to that. So in quadrilateral is one of the rhombus. Okay, ABCD is one of the rhombus. That one prove that. Prove in second one. First one over. This is second one. Okay. To prove ABCD is a rhombus. So you should compare angle DAC is equal to angle ACB, means alternate angles. Okay, what is it? Alternate angles. Next, angle DCA is equal to angle CAB. What is that? This also alternate angles. Already you know lines and angles. Alternate angles already is that. So in angle DAC is equal to angle. Which one is that? BAC and angle BCA is equal to DCA. This is what is that? What is that, children? AC bisects. AC angle AC bisects angle A and angle C. Okay, angle A and angle C. Now next we shall move to that angle BAC is equal to angle BCA is equal to angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. So having angles. Okay. So in angle DAC is equal to in angle BAC. Where is that? DAC and DAC. Means DAC is nothing but DAC only. Therefore, DA is equal to DA. DA is equal to DC. Means corresponding angles. That is, what is that? Sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. We should get sides, angles to equal angles to the equal. Okay. Now next, so here AB is equal to AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD and DA is equal to BC on the opposite sides parallelogram are equal. Okay, are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. ABCD is a rhombus. Rhombus is one of the type of the quadrilateral. Already you know in 8th standard. Rhombus is one of the type of the quadrilateral. Okay, children. So in still, how many problem is that? 7th one. So ABCD is a rhombus. Show the diagonals AC bisect angle A as well as angle C, and diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. So you only write that figure. Okay. So think and write. So now next we should solve this problem also. 7th one. 8th one. ABCD is a rectangle. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal. So in each diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Show that ABCD is a square. Diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. Okay. So this one also do that homework. Now next, 9th one. In a parallelogram, ABCD is 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal BD such that DP is equal to BQ. DP is equal to BQ. Show that figure is there, children. So in first case, triangle APD congruent triangle CQB and AP is equal to CQ, and third one is triangle AQB congruent triangle CPD and AQ is equal to CP and APCQ is a parallelogram. This is one of the, you do that properly. Okay, figure is that. Okay, now next we shall move to that. ABCD is a parallelogram and AP and CQ are perpendicular from vertices A and C on a diagonal. BD show that first case triangle APB congruent triangle CQD. AP is equal to CQ. Okay, this is also our 10th one. And 11th one. This is one of the, which shape is that, children? This is one of the, so consecutive. So how many sets? 1, 2. So having two triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one of the pentagon. Okay, in a triangle ABC and triangle DEF. AB is equal to DE. AB parallel to DE. BC is equal to EF and BC parallel to EF. Vertices A, B and C are joined to vertices D, E, F respectively. Show that quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram and quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram. Third case, so in AD parallel to CF and AD is equal to CF, and fourth one quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram, and fifth one AC is equal to DF, and sixth one triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. So this one is also do that. Okay. Now next, last one, ABCD is a trapezium. This is one of the trapezium is also a quadrilateral. Okay, which AB parallel to CD and AD is equal to BC. Show that angle A is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle D, and third one is triangle ABC congruent triangle BAD, diagonal AC and diagonal BD. So all also is there. Okay, so we should do that in homework, children. Okay, don't write notes. about that quadrilateral and exercise problem. Okay, have you got this one? All of you problem. You do that properly, you should write in your notes. Okay children, thank you.